Fishing the Oregon Inlet once again. I think I just hooked myself. Nope. Alright, who's gonna catch the first fish?
Probably not me.
No? Beginner's luck. Let's see what we're using for bait here. We got sand fleas. Fresh sand fleas. We got some scrimp.
A few moments later.
Oh, Aaron has got a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, get it. Come on, come on, come on. Get down. Oh my gosh. Here we go. First fish. Beginner's luck, like I told you.
Maybe luck.
Look at that. That is a... oh, that's a keeper. They have to be 20 inches. That is probably 24. Holy cow. I was expecting a sheep's head because of the sand fleas. Oh, that is awesome.
The weight's all caught.
Just very down low. Just
Give us some slack. Oh, just let some line out. Nice, look at that. It's a beaut. Then we can put them down. We can do it right here. Awesome, look at that. Look how big that is. Oh, that's a beautiful slot size. That's a fish.
Stop moving!
He's feisty.
Yeah, I know. He's hard to pick up or pull up. I'm not good at picking him up.
No?
I always have to get somebody to pick him up and then I can take it from there, but I'm never good at actually picking